Partitions. So today what I'm trying to do is I'm trying to get rid of some partitions on my hard drive, so in my computer system. So today what I did was I transferred my operating system from my Samsung Evo 840 SSD to my new Western Digital Blue 500 gigabyte SSD, and this is the drive that has my operating system. So this is a M.2 NVMe SSD, and this is my old Samsung Evo SSD 2.5 inch. And what I want to do is I want to get rid of the partition for my old drive. So here it is. So basically, go to computer management, and you get here, go to storage and disk management, and these are all the partitions for my hard drive. And the thing I want to get rid of is this partition, the system reserve 350 megabyte NTFS, and I want to get rid of the 861 megabyte healthy recovery partition as well. And I just want one single partition for my old Samsung hard drive, so SSD, I'm sorry. And I'm going to try to figure out which is which, basically. So I'm going to go back to this computer, and so basically take this notepad. So C drive is equal to M.2 NVMe SSD, and K drive is equal to Samsung 2.5 inch SSD. So now I know what's what. And the next thing I have to determine is which disk it is. So C drive is let's determine what K drive is. This is K drive. K drive is equal to disk 0. C drive is right here. That's disk 3. Disk 3. Okay. And I need to get rid of on disk 0, I need to destroy some partitions, get rid of it. So I need to get rid of this partition and that partition right there. So write that down. System reserved 350 megabytes NTFS, and I need to get rid of if you try to get rid of it here, it's not going to let you. Oh, it does. Okay. Wow. Well, I got rid of that. Don't want to get rid of this partition. Now I have this partition I can't delete. So to do that, I have to go to command prompt, CMD, run it as administrator. We have to use something called Diskpart. I think I made a video about this before. There it is. The commands are there. I'm going to just use those commands. The first thing is Diskpart. Diskpart list disk. So now I'm going to go back to my note. So C drive is disk 3. That's not what I want to get rid of. This has my operating system on it. Disk K is what I want to get rid of. That would be disk 0, this disk right here. So I would have to put select disk 0. version 3, this is selected. So I want to put delete partition override. And now I'm going to put list part. So there are no partitions now. That's good. So now I'm going to exit out of command prompt. I'm going to go back to computer management, and I want to create one big partition for my drive. So this one right here, my Samsung drive. So there are no other partitions here, unlike my C drive, which has my operating system. So when you have an operating system, this is a normal partition. This is the partition that I want for my Samsung drive now. What I want to do is create a new partition and create one large partition. Yes. Good. Alright, good. So now I just have this one big partition in my computer. That is labeled J drive. That is my Samsung Evo 840 SSD. So I'm just going to use this as a storage drive now. From now on, this Western Digital M.2 NVMe N550 500 gigabyte SSD will have my operating system on it. So what I want to do now is I want to hide this. This is for C drive. C and I are together. And I'll show you that is true. So I'm going to go to Crystal Mark Disk Info. I'm going to go here and I'm going to see that. So it's a C and I. So they're together. So that is one part. So C drive and I drive are one part. So I want to hide this so I can't mess it up. People can't go into my computer and mess this up, which is an integral part of my operating system. So what I want to do now is I want to go to computer management, go to storage, go here again, and I want to go to I, and I want to hide it. So I'm going to hide it by, do not delete it, just want to change the path. So I'm just going to remove it here. Yes. It's in use, it says, so I guess it better not. Maybe I have to restart my computer in order to do this. I think I'm going to do that. Simply remove, and that's it. And it's no longer showing now, but it still exists, but it's not showing on my drive. So I'll show you that. So iDrive is gone. So what I have are just my hard drives. Like this is my Western Digital NVMe. This is my 3 terabyte Seagate hard drive. This is my 1 terabyte Seagate hard drive. These two are my 2 Western Digital 1 terabyte hard drives, and this is my Samsung Evo 840 hard drive. So there isn't anything else that is out here that I don't need, which is good. So anyways, thanks for watching. And also, you didn't have to restart the computer in order to do that. You could just go to partitions, disk management, and just remove that reserve drive. So that's it. So Thanks for watching. My Ace 1000 KS 1975 signing out.